What's going on, my beautiful people? Richard Hairston here. In this video, I'm going to be talking about how to buy emails to build your email list in 2021 without solo ads. Understand that when you purchase a solo ad, you're actually purchasing clicks. You're not actually getting real-time opportunity seekers, people who are looking to join a home-based business or an affiliate marketing opportunity. Also, when you're purchasing those clicks, your opt-in rate may not be or what you want it to be, and that all depends upon your capture page, what you have on your capture page, your opt-in page, and that type of information. So it depends upon your ad copy on your page. Okay, so but just understand that you're really paying for clicks and you're not really getting leads on your into your autoresponder. Okay, so here I am now. I'm inside of my Udemy account, and you see here there's my image up there at the top, and I'm actually going to show you the solos that I have purchased. And as you can see, I have purchased solos, quite a few solo ads in my day, and it just goes way back, and you can see the amount that I have purchased as well. Now what I want to do is go over here to find sellers, and I want to show you, and we just look at Brandon here. If I click on him and we look at Brandon, you see for 300 visitors, okay, it's going to cost you $288 for 200 visitors, 300 visitors. If you go down to 100 visitors, that's $98, okay? So you're actually paying, if you come up here to the top, you'll see what you're paying, 95 cents per click. And that's not guaranteed that people are going to opt into your page. So you're simply paying for clicks. So if we go back over here, we go to Gabe, it's the same thing, okay? Gabe, he has a 52% sale rate, which means by people, that actually purchase a solo ad from him, they got sales. His is 59 cents per click, okay? 300 visitors is $180, okay? 175 visitors is $107, okay? So that's what you're going to get. You're actually purchasing clicks, and you actually set your date that you want to go out on. So if I'm going to pay, and I have paid $107, for 175 visitors in the past, but I'm not going to do that any longer, because I have found a new way of building my list of people who are actually clicking on my links. And that's another thing you have to consider. Will people actually click on your link, okay? Open up your email rather. Are people opening up your email when you purchase these solo ads? And I have noticed that when you purchase a solo ad, people rarely open up, okay, the emails that you send them. And that's a problem if you have people on your email list who are not actually opening up your email list. Then that person or those people are actually dead, and it's costing you more money to have them on your list, and they're not even engaging with your content. So you want to be careful of that as well. So if you go down through here, you can see all the list of people that you can purchase from, and most of these people I have purchased from. Even like I said, Caleb, I purchased from him in the past. He's a real good vendor, okay, but he has a 69% buyer's rate. People are bought from his list, on his list, buys 79 cents per click, okay. If you go all the way up to 800 visitors, okay, that's $635, okay, for 800 visitors, and you may get a 40%, 30%, 40% opt-in rate. Then that's good. But what if they are not opening up your emails? Then that's a problem. Even for 100 visitors, $82. Now you can take this same $82. Let's just move it up. Yep. You can take this same $82 and add a few more dollars onto it and buy real opportunity seeker leads, people who are looking for a business opportunity. And you do that by coming over here to heavy hitter leads. This is where I'm purchasing my leads from now. They are automatically dripped right into my email campaign in my Get Response account, and I don't have to worry about a capture page. I don't have to worry about doing any other type of advertising, okay? This is what I'm doing now, and it's working for me. But I want you to also understand that when you do this, don't expect this to work the first day or the second day. It's going to take time for you to nurture this list, get the people to know, like, and trust you, and build up some confidence with you with them that you know what you're doing and that you're able to help them get the desired results that they want to get. So don't expect it to happen within 2 weeks. Give it some time, build your list, and the people who are not engaging with your content, you're automatically going to get them off of your list, and everything will be taken care of automatically, and that's going to be set up for you. So these people are automatically dripped into my email account in my Get Response account. Now, let's just look at this for a moment. Here I am. I'm getting 1,000 leads per month. That's 34 leads per day for $97 a month. That is 10 cents a lead compared to over here where you're actually paying someone, okay, where you're paying someone 95 cents for a click. And you're not sure that that person is actually going to opt into your page. You're not sure if they're going to open up your email. These people are opening up my emails, and I'm going to show you that in a moment. Now, you can get started with this for $97 per month. There will be a link for this in the description, or you can pay $970 and get 10 months, okay, and get 2 months free, okay? So you see the big difference here between this, okay, 95 cents, okay, and actually 10 cents per lead. And you can go as far as you want. If you want to go up to get 2,000 leads per month at 67 leads per day delivered directly into your autoresponder, that's $179 a month at 9 cents per lead of business opportunity. People who are looking for an opportunity, they're going to open your email, they're going to see what you have to offer, okay, and then you're going to set this up all on autopilot where you don't have to touch it, okay. Once you get your email headlines tweaked and everything set up like you want it, you are good to go, okay. This is the real 30-minute workday, because the only thing you'll be doing is going back in and setting up, okay, you'll be going back in, tweaking your headlines, getting your headlines in order to get more open rates on your emails, okay? Once that's done, the only thing you have to do for a 30-minute workday is draw up or write up a broadcast email and send it out to your broadcast list, okay? That's it. That's all you would have to do. So if you want to get 8 cents per lead, okay, then you get 3,000 per month. Eventually, I'm going all in, and I'm going up to the 3,000 leads per month for $247 a month. And then I'm just going to let it roll. Okay. Now, just let me show you that this is working. Here's the autoresponder that I actually have these leads going into. I have 10 emails in here. Okay. And you can see the open rate on my emails over here, 18.89%. It just goes down through here. So I may need to come back in and tweak some of these headlines to see if I can get some better open rates, but that's all fine and dandy with me. But that lets me know that these leads are opening up my emails, okay? And so that's a good thing, and that's what you want. You want people engaging with your content. You want people opening up your emails and looking at what it is that you have to offer. Now, this is not to say that they're going to purchase, because what you have may not be a good fit for them, okay? But at least you're putting your offer in front of them, and maybe you have something else, another offer that you can put in front of them that they may be open to joining, okay? So don't just write it off. They're not joining this or that, what you're doing. Look at it as what else can you offer these people that's going to help them get the results that they want, okay? So on top of that, you're going to also set up an automation, okay? And you'll be able to download this and add it into your automation where it's going to automatically do what it does for you, okay? As you see here, people who have came through, people have automatically been moved off my account who does not open up my emails, which is good, okay? So everything is working, everything is flowing. You're going to set up this same workflow, okay? So everything's going to work for you. The only thing you have to do is get it set up, and I'm not guaranteeing you any income in here, and I don't know how long it's going to take, because I'm testing this out, I'm trying this, and it's working for me, and I'm going to show you that it's working. So if you come over here, this is a page that I'm actually sending these leads to, okay? When they click on that link in the email, they actually come to this page where they're able to download the free 30-minute escape plan, but also I'm leading them over to the free lunch Freedom Launchpad so they can get signed up with that as well. I'm doing a little short video here. That's all it is. Introducing, showing a little proof, and showing how it works. Okay, so that's all you have to do. You don't need a full funnel. You don't need an opt-in page. I would highly suggest that you set up a page like this, okay, to introduce yourself, okay, because you're introducing them in your emails and you're introducing yourself to them on this page as well, so they can get to know who you are a little bit. Okay, so this is the page that I'm sending them to. They're actually going to get this book here. Is 183 pages long, and if you don't have it, I highly suggest that you get it. Okay, and then it's going to take them to my Freedom Launchpad, okay, where I turn it over to Nick. Okay, so that's why I have on this page right here. Now in my SAM cart, you can see that this is working. Okay, I'm going to refresh it just so you know. Okay, as you see, today is May the 6th, $100 came in. May 5th, $55.20. Okay, $120. So it's slowly picking up for me. It's slowly working. Okay, but you have to be willing to do the work, put in the work to get this set up and get it done. Now, where are you going to get the leads from? You're going to come over here. You're going to fill out this form right here. Okay, it says attention network marketers, affiliate marketer, home business owner who wants to generate 34 to 100 fresh leads per day online completely on autopilot without advertising. You don't need Facebook ad, Google ad, Bing ads, or solo ads. Set it and forget it. Put in your name, okay, put in your email, and then click this button here. It's going to take you to the next step in the process. Okay, so that's the simple system. It's just all about getting it set up and getting it done. You don't need to do solo ads. Now, if you want to, you can. That's totally up to you. But just remember, you're actually paying for clicks and you're not getting leads. Okay, so with that being said, if you're ready to get started, go ahead and click the link in the description below. It's going to take you to this page that you're looking at right now. Put in your real information here and click I want to get leads. It's going to take you through to the next step in the process. Okay, also, if you have any questions, you can get in contact with me. I'll be willing to help you walk you through the process to get some things set up. If you want to hop on a one-on-one Zoom meeting for 30 minutes so I can show you how to get it done, if you need any help, you can just reach out to me on Facebook or however you feel comfortable with doing it. With that being said, click the link in the description right now to get started, and I will see you on the inside of the autopilot email list builder. Okay, that's what you want, that's what you need. Let's get you started going today. Click the link in the description. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed. I will see you on the inside. Have a great day today and a better day tomorrow. Peace.